Alright guys, hello and welcome back. So we are here in downtown Las Vegas. We are here on the Fremont Street experience. Right in front of you is Slotzilla. It's the zip line that Mom was talking about doing. She was wondering if we could strap the GoPro to her and send her on a launch. Basically send it Steve with Mom going down there, and I said, yeah, we could probably do it if they'd allow it, but chances are they probably don't allow you to have a GoPro or any other device on you while you're doing that. I'm sure safety or some other shit that they can find a reason for to damper your good times and trying to do some of this stuff. So up over to the left is your good old-fashioned Walgreens, good place to stop and grab beer and water and accessories. They have a lot of souvenir shops down here as well, so if you are in need of souvenirs, you might want to check out Fremont Street. There's a lot of little shops and stuff to do that all along this little light awning that they have. So up in front of you, that is the Fremont Street Experience light awning, which is absolutely beautiful to see at night. White Castle up over on the right hand side. So they have these new pedestrian LEDs. Those are all new from the last time that I had been down here on Fremont Street. So we will wait. Wait for traffic here to red light so we can walk down and continue our walk down Fremont Street here. But we'll do some of the walkthroughs of the downtown casinos. That was the main focus here on this trip to Las Vegas Boulevard. So that's what we're going to do on this adventure. Lights turning red, so we should be good to go. Over to the left is a Western Village souvenir shop, so if you want to check that place out, there's a bunch of souvenirs there. There's this Piccadilly Pizza, Circus Pizza, right over here on the right. Best pizza on Fremont Street, I'd have to say. It was really, really good. I've ate it a few times and it was good. The souvenir shop is really good for beers and stuff too. They have liquor license, so they have hard alcohol and stuff here as well that they're able to sell. So we're going to be doing some of the walkthroughs. Some of the walkthroughs that we'll do for you. We'll do the D here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We will do the Fremont Casino and Hotel and the Four Queens as well. So I'm here and it's probably about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, maybe 4:30 right now, so the traffic is a little bit lighter than the last time that I hit this. I think the last time that we had filmed down Fremont Street, it was like 10 or 9 o'clock at night, so it was bumping and grinding for sure with a bunch of people here. We caught the light awning at the perfect time too, so once the sun goes down and it's dusk here in the city, we will start to see the light awning begin to do the shows. So up on your left-hand side is the Four Queens. Up over on the right-hand side is your Fremont Hotel and Casino. And I don't know why they have to play music so goddamn blaringly loud. It's absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, guys, we will continue this walk. Right here is the platform here for the end of the Slotzilla. So you basically take off from the top, end up right down here, and then there's a long one that takes you all the way down to the very end. I think there's different price points for doing the halfway and then doing the full distance one as well. So you'll have to check that out. I know they have a website. I don't know what it is. Maybe they'll have it on the sign here. So if I know, I'll definitely let you know for sure. So app.amazingpictures.com is for Slotzilla Pictures. Just not sure if that would be the same. for the rest of it or not, I guess you'd have to check that on your own. I don't see any website posted up there for me to give you guys to check out, so sorry about that. I wish there was, but there's not. So down a little bit further off to the left is the Golden Nugget. Off to the right-hand side is going to be Binion's here on Fremont Street. And a little bit further down on the left-hand side would be the Golden Gate. I think over the right is California, if I remember right. It may not be, I'm not sure. We are about to get stopped for traffic yet once again. So, yet again, stuck by traffic. Only thing I don't like about Fremont Street is they have cross streets that actually go through it. It's not like the boulevard where you can just walk continuously over traffic. But I would have to say that downtown gambling is probably one of my favorite. A little bit cheaper machines to play down here. A little bit more play action that happens compared to the Strip. Las Vegas Strip can be brutal sometimes. It can be great sometimes as well. So they're getting red, so we should be able to walk. Let's go ahead and walk through here. So they're saying Slotzilla can get you up to 35 miles per hour when you're ziplining down it, which is kind of crazy. That sign is annoying. Wait to cross Casino Center. Repeating itself. Oh my god. Turn it off. Oh, so there's a bunch of stuff going on Fremont Street. Usually at night they'll have a live band here on the weekends and stuff. Some nights, I think on the weekdays they do it as well, but on the weekends for sure there's usually live music going on down here. So you'll definitely have to check that out. Down at the very end there is the Plaza Hotel and Casino. You might have to bump in there, check it out, do a quick walkthrough of it, maybe do a review of their casino floor and see how it is. My favorite hotel and casino up over on the right-hand side here, Binion's. I love Binion's downtown. That is definitely one of my favorite gambling spots. So when you see me gambling down here, that's where I'll be. Actually, I might start the live stream down there here today as well. Oh wow, this has changed. They ripped something out. Something used to be over here. I can't quite place it. We'll have to check on the last time I did the Fremont Street Experience walk, and we'll have to see what was over on the right-hand side. One wants to tell me it was the old California, but I don't think that's it, because I think California is like a block further down. So yeah, actually, yeah, the California is a block further down. That's right. I am right. I don't remember what was here though. We'll have to definitely check the video and see what happened. So. A bunch more souvenir shops, the famous Pioneer souvenir shop. You can get alcohol in there as well, beer, stuff like that. ABC stores and shops is another good place to do the same thing. Right down here we're kind of by the Golden Gate, so I think that's where we will leave off again this year with the Fremont Street Experience. It has been a pleasure as always being your host. Again, my name is Ryan, here in Las Vegas with these epic Las Vegas strip walks, the adventures down Fremont Street, the adventures through the casinos on Fremont, as well as the surrounding areas as well. But if you guys like the channel, be sure to subscribe. Hit that 4K logo down in the bottom right-hand corner. That will get you subscribed to the channel right away. I also have links down in the description to support the channel via that be merch, or if you want to do a donation to the channel, that will help create more content just like this for you guys to be able to see when you're here on vacation and going through some of the things as well. So as always, I appreciate all the continued support, guys. You guys have a beautiful rest of your day.